This is the solution to number 33 from section 6.7. It says an observer in a lighthouse 350 feet above sea level observes two ships directly offshore. The angles of depression of to the ships are 4 degrees and 6.5 degrees. How far apart are the ships? And they give us a diagram. So I am going to create some right triangles here. So I'm going to draw in the vertical segment, which is the lighthouse, which is 350 feet going, and then horizontal segment going to the first ship. And then I'm going to transfer the angle of depression of 6.5 degrees into this right triangle using the theorem that alternate interior angles are congruent when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. And then I'm going to draw in a second right triangle. I'll make this one green, going to the second ship. So the hypotenuse goes to the second ship. And then I'm also going to transfer this angle of depression, 4 degrees, into the bottom right corner of that triangle. So now we need to figure out the distance between the two ships. I'm going to label that as x. And then the distance in the left triangle, the one which I have in red here, I'm going to label the horizontal segment as y. And in this problem, we want to use tangent because we know the opposite side is 350 feet, and we want to know the adjacent sides. So I'm going to set up my trig ratios to make two equations. So I'm going to use the red triangle or the left triangle. I'm going to say tangent of 6.5 degrees is the opposite length of the opposite side, 350 over y. And I can solve this. I'm going to multiply both sides by y. So y tangent 6.5 degrees equals 350. And I can determine y by dividing both sides by tangent of 6.5. So y is equal to 350 divided by tangent 6.5. And if you enter that into your calculator, you'll find that y is 3,071.9 feet. Now we're going to use the green triangle, set up another trig ratio. Now we can say tangent of 4 degrees is equal to the opposite length of the opposite side, which is 350, in this case, over the length of the base, or the bottom here, which is x plus y, the adjacent side. But we know what y is, so we can say this is 350 over x plus 3,071.9. Multiplying both sides of the equation by the quantity x plus 3071.9, we're going to get x times tangent of 4 degrees plus 3,071.9 times tangent 4 degrees is equal to 350, and we want to isolate x. So we'll subtract 3,071.9 times tangent 4 degrees from both sides. And finally, divide both sides by tangent 4 degrees. And if you enter all that into your calculator, you will determine that x is equal to 1,933.3 feet, which is the distance between the two ships.